Hi Star Seeds, Irene the Cocoa Queen here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very delicious bean stew, which is made in just one pot, has very few ingredients, is super healthy because you're going to be getting in all your amino acids from the beans, and you can also pair this up with rice, which is a really good meal. And it's just so easy to prepare. So in light of all that's happening right now with the self-isolating going on, I'm sure a lot of you are frustrated with the amount of cooking that you have to do. So this is a very easy one for you. Now, before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a video. So let's get in the kitchen. So the first thing you want to do is place 1.5 tablespoons of oil into the pot. I'm using coconut oil here. You can use any kind of oil that you desire. So I'm just going to wait until that melts, and then I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. So now we're going to be adding in 200 grams or 1 large onion and 100 grams of chopped celery. For that, we're adding in 1/2 tablespoon of Himalayan salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So you just want to mix all of these ingredients up, and we are going to cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes until the onions are translucent and cooked. In 7 minutes, and my onions are nice and translucent and cooked, and now we can proceed. So now I'm going to add in 300 grams of chopped carrots and 2 cups of tomato sauce. Just gonna give that a mix. It does smell delicious. Now we're gonna add in 1 liter of water. So I have 3 cups of white beans here that I soaked overnight for about 9 or 10 hours. And they actually started sprouting, look at that. So this is gonna make the cooking process much easier and faster. See, if I put my nail inside, it's like very, quite soft. It's not hard anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and add these 3 cups of beans. Just give it a mix. So we're gonna cook this on high heat for 25 minutes, and we're going to put the lid partially on, just like that. So after 25 minutes, you'll notice that the water has reduced quite a bit, but the beans are not quite ready yet. So what we're going to do is cover it with a lid and cook it until the beans are nice and tender. Our stew is ready, and we've been cooking it for 35 minutes. You might find that your beans are still a little hard depending on the intensity of the stove. So if you need to cook it for a little bit longer, you can do so. So right now what we're going to do is add some parsley to this. I'm just going to turn off the heat and go ahead and add all of this parsley. I love the combination of parsley and celery and tomato sauce. It just reminds me of my childhood. So now we're just going to give it a little mix. Also, at this point, you want to give it a try and see if it's lacking in spices. For me, I feel like it needs to be a little saltier, so I'm adding in another 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And also, I'm going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So you just want to mix this up. Oh yes, this just reminds me of my childhood. I love this dish, and it's so easy to prepare. So now I'm just going to put the lid on it and let it rest a little before I dig in. I'm just going to use my ladle here and plate this up. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I love beans. You guys can have this with rice if you wanted. It makes a good combination because you're gonna get in all of those amino acids. Delicious. I love this dish. I used to have it as a child all the time, so it does remind me of my childhood. Just that aroma of celery and tomato sauce and onion traveling through the house. I just really love it, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. And if you do try it, don't forget to comment down below and let me know how you liked it. So don't forget that we are here every Wednesdays and Fridays providing you with delicious plant-based recipes. And also every Sundays we are live streaming to get to know you. So you can join us then. See you soon.